Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So 4K streaming delivers sharper detail, better colors and more immersive viewing experience, but it requires the right setup, okay? So check your device, like make sure you are using a 4K TV or monitor, a 4 compatible streaming device like Smart TV, Fire TV, etc. Non-4K devices cannot stream in 4K, okay? So verify internet speed, ensure at least you have 15 megabytes per second, like recommended or higher. Use Wi-Fi or Ethernet for stability because faster speed means better quality, okay? Find a 4K title like Open Prime Video. Look for labels like UHD or 4K Ultra HD, okay? Only these titles support 4K. Play the video, like start the movie or show. Prime Video automatically streams in the highest quality available, okay? So ensure best quality settings, like go to settings and select best or highest quality or video quality. Allows 4K streaming when possible, okay? And what happens after enabling video plays in 4K if all conditions are met, okay? Resolution adjusts automatically based on connection, and sharper image and better details displayed, okay? So there are some common issues like not getting 4K. Check device compatibility and internet speed first, okay? Quality keeps dropping, improve connection or reduce network usage. So that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.